Okay, hello guys and welcome to new video. Okay, by the way, this is video education and preparation for analysis, our technical analysis on new month, which is tomorrow is 31st July. So I'm prepared for August, okay? For August. Okay, now we need to focus. Okay, how to analysis, you need to know the basic. Okay, this is basic. So you need to take note or just focus on this note and focus, okay? Okay, if you analysis, make sure using SNR, okay? For the better way, just using line chart, and then you need to find A and V. Okay, what is A and V? Okay, A stand for resistance and V for support. Okay, actually this is basic, but you need to know. Our friends still didn't know what is support and resistance, so I need to recap back, okay? So, just focus on using line chart to analysis to determine the resistance or the breakout or not. If you want using trend line, you guys also can use line chart, okay? So, what next? Okay, by time frame. You need to analysis by time frame. Start from biggest time frames to lowest time frame. Okay, which is this is monthly, weekly, daily. Okay, and the middle, which is H4 and H1 and M30. Okay, so the lowest one M15, M5 only. Okay, M1 didn't analysis, just focus on M15 and M5. Okay, next, you need to know monthly, weekly, and daily. This is the mother time frame, which is this is the biggest time frame, the biggest structure at monthly, weekly, and daily. Okay, so this is we need to marking from point A to point B. Okay, so H1, this is we need to know the direction. Okay, so H1 we need to know the technical or structure. Okay, for M5 and M15, this for entry or positioning, to get sharp entry. Okay, to get sharp entry. So this is the structure you need to follow. Using line chart, find A, find V, and then you need to use from the biggest one to lowest one, step by step from monthly until M5. Okay, step by step from A to Z. Okay, the next one. Okay, my suggestion is you can choose either you can focus on gold or you can focus on currency. Okay, for my suggestion, if you want focus on currency, just focus on this pair only: GBP JPY, Euro AUD, and last you can choose either GBP USD or UCAD. Okay, but as for now, if you want focus on currency, you can choose GBP JPY because the movement is similar like gold. Still have fast movement, but if sideways, take a long time for GBP JPY. Okay, but for me, I want everyone just focus on gold, focus on their character, focus on their structure movement, which is on US session. Okay, their character, you need to know the character, you need to know the structure, and you need to know the timing, which is when the best trade for US gold at US session and during news. Okay, but if you ask me for news, I will elaborate for the next video. But for me, If you want trade news, okay, example 8:30 have news NFP. Okay, for me, if you believe your direction, you can instant. But if you want, okay, you can choose follow your technical analysis or just focus on fundamental analysis, which is this is follow 100%. 100% follow data. But for technical analysis, focus on SNR. Okay, okay. My suggestion is if you want trade NFP, focus on after data release. Better after news release, you can trade. You need to know the direction, which is the data, which is have spike or not. If direct movement, you can find re-entry once pullback. Okay, simple. Okay, this is the structure. How to analysis. Focus on the simple technique, which is SNR. And you need to know the following this time frame, which is from the highest until the lowest one. And then you can choose either you want focus on gold or you want focus on currency. Is depend on you. But for me, I just focus giving signal only gold. But my personal trade, I will add on for GBP, JPY sometime. But for me, I will give only signal for gold. Okay, so this is gold. Okay, now as I say, using line chart to determine the direction. Okay, the direction using rectangle line and marking the previous resistance, which is here. Okay, the resistance already break out actually. Okay, already break out. But we need to know at monthly already pull back. Okay, this is structure break out. Okay, so direction, biggest direction still buy. Okay, the biggest direction still buy. Okay, now weekly. Oh, weekly. Okay, weekly simple, still same. Resistance, breakout, pullback and fly. But you need to know here have new resistance. Okay, have new resistance. So you can marking here as a nearest resistance, and the second one here, the second one here. Okay, the second one here, which is this is first, this is second, and this is also have RSS at weekly. Okay, but from here until here around 1000 pips, so it's not logic if straight going up. So you can focus on sell only, sell buy until weekly breakout, solid breakout. As for now, still for me is respect. Okay, last week gold still respect for sell, still respect because this is first touch, second touch, first touch, second touch. So the resistance is valid at weekly. So still selling at weekly. So next daily. Okay, daily. Okay, now marking from the highest one. This is the resistance. Okay, this is zone resistance at daily. Okay, the next is marking here as a zone support breakout daily. And then you can change the color to differentiate the zone. Okay, so the green is support, the zone support breakout. This is support breakout. Okay, this is breakout, this is pullback. So actually this is the zone for sell at daily. Now we need to check already touch or not. Okay, already touch. Okay, already touch at this area, at this candle. Okay, already touch. So the resistance at daily still respect. Still respect. Okay, still respect the resistance. This is first touch, this is second touch. So the resistance is valid. First, second. Okay, third. Okay, next focus on line chart also, marking the nearest resistance here. And then you can choose the next color to differentiate the zone pink. Okay, I choose pink as a next zone. Okay, now we focus on daily. Okay, daily, as you can see, have engulfing here. Okay, have engulfing here. So which is, this is fresh resistance. This is first touch. So possibility gold still can fly until this level to make a second touch. Okay, and then drop around 100 pips or more. Okay, this is my expectation on daily because the daily already break out. This is support already break out, right? This support already break out. So just focus on sell for daily, for gold on daily. The daily time frame giving hint that gold won't keep falling for next week or next month, which is the support already break out. So for me, you can wait here for low risk setup and then entry sell here for second touch. Okay, this is daily. Next, okay, we go time frame by time frame. Next, H4. Okay, H4. Okay, for H4 you can use trend line. You can use trend line for H4. Okay, the from H4 still not touch the trend line. Okay, this is trend line H4. Okay, I got from here first touch, second touch. So I use this trend line. So possibilities gold still can fly until this level before drop. Okay, but you need to know the zone. This is also first touch. Gold still can fly until this level to make a second touch at H4. This is H4. Okay, the previous one is daily here, but H4 still have zone at here. So we go time frame by time frame, okay? Because this is also RSS. Okay, why? If you turn to H4, okay, I turn to H1, okay? H1, you can check here. Okay, this is yellow zone. This is the resistance. R. Next is engulfing. The confirmation, okay? And second one, this is first support, second support, third support, 5 support. Also, all breakout. Straight breakout. And if pullback, this confirmation, RSS. Gold still can falling around 200 pips something. Okay, if gold reach at 1978. Here, around here, to get a sharp entry, maybe 1978, 1979, 1980, around 20 pips to get a sharp entry if gold fly. Okay, if gold fly, but we need to know gold can falling now or not. We can use line chart. We can mark another trend line from here until here. Okay, actually it remain same, but I choose H1 to restructure for this trend line. Okay, for me, gold still need to make a new high before drop. Okay, before drop. So just marking here as a support breakout. Oh, already touch. And second one here. Okay, this is first, this is second, this is H1, okay, H1. Okay, that's why gold have reject at this area because have support become resistant. Okay. Okay, now we need to check H1 structure, H1 structure, and H1 structure. Okay, now gold have possibility pull back again here and then fly again until this level before drop. Okay, this is just analysis. Gold can drop instant. Why? Because the zone already touched. So I didn't know, which is gold can give a second chance before drop. Okay, so make sure next week if pull back or fly, we need to focus on sell. But the zone sell is too big. Why? Because last week have manipulation candle here. Okay, from here until here around 300 pips. So this is cut actually. This is high risk. But for me, if you want wait, just wait at at pink zone or yellow zone, which is here or here. For low risk, this is low risk, this is medium risk. Okay, this is high risk. Okay, this is how to analyze this market. If you want better way, just using line chart. You can see the clearly way where gold need to fly or drop. Okay, so that's all. This is how to marking zone. But for me, for next week, gold need to make a new high. Focus on sell at the highest one. Sell here maybe or here. Okay, so just focus on two zone for low risk. If you have best capital, which is big capital to layer, make sure you need to layer at the highest one, not the lowest one. You can choose from the here swap zone, SBR here, so you can put sell here. If break, no need to worry because we still have zone sell here. Okay, because this is RSS and engulfing. So this level have confirmation SBR and trend line. Okay, make it simple. Follow the direction. If you want to follow direction is sell, but not sell now. Sell at the highest one, the highest level. Okay, only sell at resistance or only sell at support become resistant. Okay, that's all. I hope you guys understand. Enjoy.